Introducing the Niagara Equate brushed brass concealed shower valve with riser rail and handset and ceiling-mounted shower head, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This stunning masterpiece boasts a brushed brass finish that adds a touch of refinement to any bathroom decor. Equipped with a deluxe round slide rail kit and handset, it offers ultimate convenience and versatility. The ceiling-mounted rainfall head creates a soothing rain-like cascade, delivering a stimulating and refreshing shower every time. The trickle-concealed shower valve guarantees optimal water control, while the thermostatic cartridge ensures a safe and comfortable temperature. Safety is our top priority. The automatic shut-off feature protects against scalding by instantly cutting off the water supply in case of cold water failure. Indulge in pure luxury and transform your daily routine into a spa-like experience with the Niagara Equate brushed brass concealed shower valve. It's time to immerse yourself in blissful serenity every time you step into your bathroom. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara brushed brass range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.